Hi everybody, it's Lisa. I'm just here to show you some cards that I've been making recently. I haven't done an awful lot of crafting because it's been a busy time during lockdown. It's been a hard time being separated from family, especially being separated from my baby granddaughters, which has been a complete nightmare. So hard. I'm also carrying a little bit more lockdown weight along with my mangled hair. Haven't been to the hairdressers for months. Roots, broken fillings. It's just horrendous, but I suppose we're all safe. We shouldn't complain about that. There's a lot of people who have been very badly affected by coronavirus, so we just have to suck it up and get on with it. So the project I've been working on, I made some cards using the Honey Bee set from Stampin Up. Now this, if you haven't managed to get this, you're going to be disappointed because it's now retired. I got it just before it retired in June, I think. The beginning of June. But I had my eye on it for a while, and it has the cling stamps, which I think are the new type of stamps from Stampin' Up, that are very sticky so they don't fall off the blocks the way they used to do, which was so annoying, and the matching dies. So that is very cute. Also, you could get hostess gifts. I'm not quite sure, but I did manage to get a set. And I do make a point of not buying any scrapbook paper anymore, but I did make an exception for that because it's quite something else. So what I've made are little thank you cards. Anything I have made, I've made to bring some sunshine to somebody's life. So I've sent out lots of cards, lots of happy mail gifts, sending little wooden hugs through the post. The local shop was selling little round hugs, and they are fantastic to colour in with your Copic markers, and I made beautiful little cards for them. So back to the thank you cards. These I have made for some of our volunteers who have been working really hard during lockdown, running children's hearings. You can search Children's Hearings Scotland and you'll be able to find out more about what we do. But we've had a lot of people working really hard above and beyond the call of duty. So I've made a selection of thank you cards out of this paper stack and stamp set, and I am really pleased with how these have turned out. And the card I used was Daffodil Delight from Stampin' Up, and I used gold, quite a lot of gold embossing powder, and just gold card that I had in my stash. It's not Stampin' Up, it's just ordinary gold foil card. The little beehive was Crumb Cake from Stampin' Up and Crumb Cake ink, and that turned out really well. I coloured the little bees in with Daffodil Delight, just using one of these Stampin' Up pens that they're moist but they don't have any colour in. I can't remember what they're called. Don't actually know if they even make them anymore, but if you dip it onto ink you can use it to colour in, and it's not as messy as the watercolouring type thing. And you can use all your inks, your Stampin' Up inks to do it, or any inks in fact. And what I've done with these is I've put a little bit of tulle at the back just to give it some dimension, and popped the little beehive up on some pop-up dots. So very pleased with these. I think that one's just the same. And I made a couple of different versions just to give you some ideas. So this one says sending a smile, and you'll see there that I like to curl the banners so that it gives a bit of dimension, and I've just done the tulle a wee bit differently on this one. And I didn't use the yellow card, as you'll have seen. I used white. This one I had some gold ribbon, and actually that was an afterthought, so I wasn't able to tuck it behind the card. So if you ever find that you want to do something like that, add in ribbon when you've already glued everything on, all you do is cut out a strip of card and attach the ribbon to the card, tuck it in at the back and stick the card on top. And that one just says hello. I think, yeah, that was in the Honey Bee set. Some of the sentiments I've used have been from other sets, and it says wishing you sunshine and happiness. So I really like that one. Oh, and I forgot to say that one's got the little bee on top. And what I did with the bee is I used gold embossing powder. And some of them I've used the tulle that has gold stars on it, and I just found this in my stash. So that is another version, which is a portrait version. The others are landscape. And the tulle comes out the top and the bottom. So lovely little cards, just to bring some sunshine and to say thank you. So the next video I'm going to do is a craft room tour. I think I'm at the stage where I can finally do one. I don't think our craft rooms would ever be 100% perfect and ready for us to do the tour, so I thought this is about as good as it's going to get. So I think that will be the next video that I do. So let me know if you would like to see that. And I'll say bye for now, and I shall see you soon. Take care, stay safe, wash your hands. Bye.